Hi friends, this is Rakesh here. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own rooftop garden and what's the necessary things and how to take care of the plants and a small introduction of my rooftop garden. Let's begin. First of all, you need a pot in which we are going to raise our plants. It may be of a mud pot or a cement pot or like this used paint boxes or any plastic unused boxes. And secondly, you need a good fertilizers which is not of chemical, which may be of sheep dung or cow dung, which is a healthy fertilizers for plants. And you need a good mud in the sense that should be from the riverbed or from any fertilized area. In my case, I'm using a fertilizer which is this sheep dung, which is very good for the plants growth, and you can use your own fertilizer types. Maybe I don't recommend chemical fertilizers. Once you got your pot in which you are about to grow your plants, you fill the bottom layer with sand. First layer with sand. First layer is of about 1 inch sand. Then above that our second layer, which is of mud, soil. So you fill the second layer 1 inch of soil. Then the third layer, which is again with sand. Then the fourth layer should be of soil of 2 inch, about 2 inch. Then the fifth layer should be of your fertilizers, which may be of cow dung or the sheep ones which I used, or any leaves, green leaves, which in the future it will be converted as fertilizers or any food waste. And the sixth layer is again soil of 2 inch. Then again seventh layer will be of fertilizers. This layers, whatever soil and fertilizers, in consecutive layers until the pot is full. Okay. First layer is of sand, then second layer to last layer is of consecutive soil and fertilizers. Okay, once your pot is full of whatever sand and mud and fertilizers, now this is our surface. Whatever looking is, this is our surface. So how you will plant in this surface? So see, now I have planted beans here. These are beans, soya beans, and this is tumbe flowers, and I'll show you how to plant. This is of a beans seed. So I have put some leaves here for fertilizing. You make a 2 inch hole, 2 inch. Okay, that is of about. Okay, now you take your seed, put it in the hole, and you bury it with the soil and put those fertilizers, whatever green leaves, that will be for fertilizing on it. And you put a little bit of water here daily, one time, not 2 times, daily 1 time. If your area is very hot, then you can put it for 2 times water. After 4 or 5 days, you'll see a plant rise like this. Just it's coming up. So you can see the beans which is splitting and it's becoming the leaves here. And this is of 1 week old plant. So you can see the beans here which is splitted and the leaves came out. And I'll show you my plantation, which maybe I'm having in other pot. This is of maybe 10 days beans. So after you are getting this plant, you put your fertilizers like this. So you can see the fertilizer here. Here I got some fertilizers which is of sheep ones, and you water it daily twice. Once it is in seed condition, you have to water it for a single time a day. Once it is become a plant, you have to water it 2 times. Okay, and once it's got bigger, you have to tie them like this, because beans and tomatoes, this is a tomato plant actually, so beans and tomatoes can't withstand their weight, so they tend to be bent and the plant will be broken actually. So you can see one more plant here. This is of tomato which got a fruit tomato here. So due to the weight, it's sagging now. So it's got 2, here 1 and here 1. So I'm about to tie this with a stick here, and I'm going to tie this like this. Okay, now I'm about to show you my plantation, rooftop, a small garden actually. We'll start from the first. Maybe somebody of you know this wheel called as Mallige, jasmine. I got a separate pot for this flower, and this plant, this is called as Dasavala hibiscus. The scientific name will be mallow family. It belongs to the mallow family. And this second, the tomato. You can see a lot of fruit I have got here. And I have got tulasi. This is a tulasi which carries the scientific name of Osimum or holy basil. And I have got this. This is called as karibevu. We call it as karibevu. And its scientific name is curry leaves. It's the family of Rutaceae. And I have got one more tomato plant here, and this is our papaya. I know, but papaya is going to be very big tree. Still I got it in a pot. Yes, of course, once it is a little bigger, I'm going to transfer it to the bare land. And this is aloe vera, which I'm using for skin problems and hair problems. Yes, actually it's in good condition. And again, this is This small white ones. This is called as tumbe. Scientific name is Lucas aspera. In Hindi, it's called as Chota helicasu. And as I shown you, now I am getting these beans ones. So these are beans. See, these are beans. So you can grow any type of plants if you care them. So take a proper care of your plants, and if you going to maintain them daily, then you can have any type of plants. So these are all medicinal plants. I got a separate pot for them, and one more aloe vera here. So these are all medicinal, and tomatoes, beans, and curry leaves. So this is a small video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you all.